Hi all and welcome back to my channel. That's me again, your great NSC in the place to be. Yeah, today I just want to show you a great tool which calls CoreTemp. With CoreTemp you will be able to control your CPU temperatures, you will be able to control your CPU speed and a lot more. I'm gonna just install this with you together step by step. So if you love your computer, if you love your CPU, you should get this tool, guys. So for first, just go into the internet and type on Google CoreTemp. Okay, just like that. Here we go. So then you just search the page or the site alcpu.com. Okay, alcpu.com. Let me just zoom there a bit. Here we go. Just visit this page here. Okay, there we go. Then just download the newest CoreTemp version 1.15.1. Okay, download it, save it and run it. Okay, for me I don't need it because I already got it on my USB pen. So let me just zoom a bit back. Here we go. Let's get into my USB pen and I'm gonna search the tool because I got it already. CoreTemp 1.15.1. Here we go. All right, then you just install it. Which language is up to you guys, because these tools should always be in English, but yeah, maybe a lot of people doesn't know about English or whatever. So whatever, you can just go on now, install it. Next, yeah. I accept, yeah. Install here, yep. So create desktop icon. No, you don't need to create a desktop icon because this will, after we're gonna install it, it will just start automatically when you start Windows, and this will always just run on the background. That's great, guys. So deactivate this one, you don't need it. Build your own kingdom with Google Game Empire. No. Install additional language packs. Yes, if you want another language, you can let this here mark it. Otherwise, if you just want to use it in English, just like me, then just deactivate this one here. Okay, and next. Okay, install. Here we go. Finish. Yeah, and now, like you can see, the great thing is on CoreTemp that they are always adding new CPUs. That means they are always up to date and they always fix some troubles and some issues. When they found something bad, they're gonna fix it. This is really great. I think my very first CoreTemp that I had was something about 0.9 or 0.8. I can't remember. This was a very old one. I had CoreTemp as a long time. I don't know, maybe it was 2008 or something like that. And you, whoa, wait, you can scroll here way down. Look. So here you can see the versions and the date. So let me just get down. So I'm just yeah, surprised. So let me see. I'm just curious. I want to see which was the first one. Here I see 0.9, like I told. 2008. Wait, it's get still down. Oh my god. 2006. Yeah, look here. This was the first version. 0.9.0.32 in April 2006. Crazy, guys. Okay, whatever. Let's go. View README text. No, you don't need it. And launch CoreTemp now. Yeah, let me just zoom a bit back because now this is ready to start. Okay, and here we go. Okay, now it just starts here. Just take it. And then we're gonna set this now together. Let me zoom in again a bit. So here, it's really great. I'm gonna just set this video together so that it will run also on your background and really great. So the first thing that you need to do is options, and then you go to settings. And here we go. You begin with general. Start CoreTemp with Windows. Yes, you can let it. Check always for updates on startup. Yes. Okay, display. Here we go now. Start CoreTemp, minimize it, yes. And close CoreTemp to the notification area. So if you close it, it will not be really close, it will just still run on the background. Okay, so then notification area. Here, just press highest temperature per core per processor. Yes, you can do that, or just highest temperature. Yeah, you can do that one or that one. It's up to you guys. If you want that you will see all the cores, then you can let this one here. But I just want to see the we can say the highest temperature on the core. That means if you got a 4-core CPU, I just want to see the highest temperature of one of these 4 cores. So the rest, I don't care. I just want to check the temperatures, the highest temperatures, and this is for me the most important thing. Then go here on text, and I need to zoom a bit back now. So, and then I'm gonna take this window also here, and then just select white or which color you have to get displayed here down, okay? Here, okay? But I just like it in white, and I'm gonna, select white. Let's zoom back again. So, I hope it's great focuses for you guys. Then let's go to advanced, and here you don't need to set anything. If you have a Logitech keyboard, you can also be able to display this on your Logitech G1 keyboard or whatever. But I don't need it. I don't have a keyboard like that, so that's why I just disable it, because I don't need it. Windows taskbar, you can now just also click if you want to see the CPU load and frequency and all the rest, but I don't need it. So now, for now, I'm gonna just apply. Okay, and the other thing that I want to show is also a great thing. If you go here to tools, I think it was here, here, it was here, still on options, you can go and you can activate overheat protection. That's really great. You can now, tell him at which temperature he should shut down your computer automatically. So that means when this program is checking that your CPU runs too hot, it will just shut down your computer, okay? And you can also tell him, okay, I want that you shut down my computer on, let's say, 80 degrees, and you can show me a notification, okay? And then you can now we can say, get here also shutdown options. Just go here, enable it, and you can tell him if you want to put him to sleep, so that means on standby, or if you want really to shut it down. So I will shut it down because this is more safe for you guys also. And then you can tell him, hey, 30 seconds, 20 or 10. So that means if this tool is noticing that your CPU runs about 30 seconds on 80 degrees, then he will shut your computer down just as a protection, guys. I love it, really, guys. You need to love it when I love it. And that's why this is so awesome, guys. But you don't need to do that if you know all is good. But if you want a kind of small protection, then it's great. You can just activate it. You can tell him, hey, 30 seconds. I think this is maybe too long. I just want, let's say, 15 seconds. So if my CPU is working longer than 15 seconds on about 80 degrees, then please shut my computer down, okay? This you can activate here. This is so great, guys. Otherwise, you just let it like it was, and here automatically just, and yeah, you can just let it like it is. But if you want to be on a safe side, and you know your CPU, and you know really that your CPU, let's say, will never run on 80 degrees. If you know that, then you can do, of course, on 80 degrees, you can just set him, just to be safe. That means when your CPU cooler is full of dust, or we can say the thermal paste, the thermal compound is just bad, the CPU, of course, will get faster hot. And that's why it's a great protection here. you can just enable it, or you just let it on automatically, okay? But it's up to you guys. You can enable it or not. I myself, I don't need it, and that's why I will let it like this. And now I'm gonna zoom back, and I'm gonna just close the tool now, that you can see we're gonna have it now here. So wait, because I just have selected, when I close it, it will still run on the background. So now you can see here, we got now our temperatures. Okay, I'm gonna try to zoom there for you guys. Wait. So here we go. And now let me move the camera to this side now. So wait. Here we go. Now you can see the highest core is running right now on 47 degrees. So, and if I press on it, the window will open again. Let me just get over here. I'm gonna click it 2 times now. And here we got our window. Okay. And now you can also see your socket. You can see the speed on how your CPU is running. You can see a lot more stuff. And I got a motherboard, an Asus motherboard on socket 775. But I got here a CPU modification, which allows me to run 771 CPUs on a 775 motherboard. Maybe I'm gonna do the next video about that, because this is really great. This is just an older computer, guys. This is not the computer that I have shown you before. And yeah, but this is still running very great. And that's why I just wanted to show you this tool, because it's a must, guys. So now I'm gonna close it, and you will see it's still there. Okay, so here, if you watch down to your task, then you will see always the CPU temperatures, which is always great. You can also, of course, you can let you display here about 4 cores or 2 cores or whatever. It's up to you guys, but I just don't want to have so much things there. But if you want to display all the cores, just get here in settings again, and then wait, tell him all the cores. Okay, apply. Okay, and now you got here all your cores. You see that? But I don't need it. I just want to see my highest core on the CPU, and the rest for me, I don't care, okay? Because the most important for me is that I can see the highest core, just like this one here. The core 0 is mostly on 40 degrees, 45. It's always the same thing. If you got a 4-core CPU or a 6-core CPU, 1 core is always a bit hotter than the rest, okay? This is just fully normal. But like I told here, settings, here again, I just want to see the highest temperature, and for me this is just enough, okay? Okay guys, I hope you like this. This was just a quick video for you guys, that you can see how you can do you really a great computer, guys, with all the, we can say, temperature checks and all the rest. This is just so awesome, because on these days, 2019, we have so much options right now to check all the shit, and that's really important, guys. And that's why you should get this, because if I love it, you need to love it too, guys. Believe me, this is just great. And it's, yeah, it's a tool. It gets always fixed, it gets always updates, and you're gonna love it, guys, really. This is just a great tool, just like MSI, Afterburner, and some more. But this and more I'm gonna show you soon. For now, this was all for me. NSC in the place to be. Bye bye, guys. See you. And I wish you a great Sunday. And yeah, stay tuned on my channel. Thumbs up, don't forget. And subscribe, of course. See ya. Bye bye.